What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to group the lights in your MINI RF4 charge package. Now keep in mind, I'm only using 4 of the lights from this case for this demo, but if you wanted to use them all, you're just going to follow the same exact steps. Another cool thing we can do is set our lights into different groups by using the color group feature. So to demonstrate, I'm going to use all 4 of my lights and set them up into groups of 2. However, if you had more lights that you wanted to set up into these different groups, you can follow the same exact steps. So like I mentioned before, we're going to use the color group feature. So for today, we're going to set this group to red and this group to green. Now to set our lights up to the different color groups, we're going to press the power button once to cycle between the different color groups of red, green, yellow, or blue. So for this group here, we'll press the power button once until the color group LED is red, and then over here we'll do the same thing until the color group LED is green. So now I can use just one of my remotes to control each group. To do that, I'm going to use the RF group button here on the top of my remote, and then I'm going to press it until the light on the front of the remote flashes to the corresponding color. So for example, I'm going to press the RF group button on my remote until it flashes red. And now if I use my remote to set my red group into any mode or color, it will automatically follow. So now to work with the lights in my green group, I can press the RF group button on my remote until it flashes green, set it to a different mode or color. So now we have each group of lights doing their own thing. So again, if you wanted to set up more lights for your groups, you'll just want to press the power button once until the color group LED matches to the group you want it set up to. Now what's also really cool is that we can change all of our lights at the same time no matter which color group they're set to with the remote. To do that, I'm going to press the RF group button here until the light on the front flashes white. And now if I use the remote to set the lights to a different color, you'll see that they all follow again no matter which color group they're set to. This is really handy if you quickly wanted to change all of your lights at once. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to group the lights in your MINI RF4 charge package. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.